After doing a few troubleshooting steps, you found out that your draft induction fan is not working properly and it's time to replace it. Here's a few steps to get that taken care of. If you've seen any of our other maintenance videos, you know what the very first step is. Always unplug your grill from power. To replace your draft induction fan, you don't have to remove your hopper assembly. We're gonna remove it just to show you how it's done a little easier. Locate the draft induction fan. It's the one that has the orange wires coming from it. Make sure to unplug the plastic Molex connectors coming from the controller. Remove the 4 screws using a 1/4 inch wrench or nut driver. Then remove the fan motor. Insert the new draft induction fan. Use the 4 screws to tighten it back down. Plug in the orange connector back to your controller, and you should be ready to reassemble your grill. Now your Traeger's back up and running. Make sure you register that grill on TraegerGrills.com. Give us a call at 1-800-TRAEGER if you have any other issues. Also, we have several videos on our website to help you out with your grill. And happy Traegering.